Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What we're doing today is we're doing a bedroom refresh for 2023. I'm going to be using a lot of those items that I hauled for you on Friday, and I'm going to show you how I'm incorporating them in my bedroom, okay? Now, I already have the bed made, and my mirrors are hung, but they've been hung a long time, so I'll show you that. And I'll link everything in the description box that I can. And I'll also link the video showing where I got these items in case you're interested. You can just refer in the description box to that video. So let's start decorating this bedroom in a fresh way for 2023. Okay, first we're going to start on our nightstands, and then I'll show you the mirrors and the bedding. It's kind of hard because there's so many mirrors in here. Which I love. It really opens the space. Okay, first I'm going to go in with this. I bought two of these, I think it was last year or so, from Kirkland's. And I just love how greenery adds that fresh vibe, okay? And then I've had this for a long time, candlestick and a candle. And I'm just going to stick that right there. All right, I love this bedding. I think it gives such a fresh, light, airy feeling to this room. I'm glad I went with the beige. I started to go with white, and then I was like, no, I really like the beige. And then I can pull in accents, which you could do with white as well, but I'm not really one that likes a lot of stark white. I like it in places, and it's beautiful. But for me, I prefer like beige. If I could decorate beiges, browns, creams, tans, all that neutral tone, that's right down my alley, okay? And there's a lot of new trends coming out this year where natural wood is getting very popular, or the darker woods is being very popular. I have a lot of white furniture and I'm not going to change it. But also with your decor, you can start, I think during the pandemic, they had everything so designer look, showcase look. Now they're kind of going for a lived-in home look, which is what I like because this is our home. We do live in it, and I enjoy it so much. So I love this. I will tell you that I picked this up from these 3 pillows from Home Goods. And I'll take you down later and show you everything up close, the mirrors and everything. And like I said, I will refer you to that video in the description box if you want to know where everything came from. But this is kind of like a boho, shabby chic, still farmhouse, still French country in my opinion. Okay, let's decorate this. I'm such a symmetrical person, but another candle with a shorter candle holder. And then I'm going in with this again. Okay, next I'm going to add this to the bed. Now this is new, so I'll tell you where I got it. Got this little tray at TJ Maxx. It was like $12.99, very inexpensive. And then I just put some faux tulips in there that I got off of Amazon, and some faux little sweets that I got off of Amazon, and one of those little plates that I picked up at TJ Maxx. And I think it gives it such a welcoming French country, even farmhouse kind of look. Okay, now I'm going in with this. You can't beat this from Hobby Lobby. And this, I've had this, I think I got this at TJ Maxx a long time ago. And I just love this little wooden decor piece. I think that looks really sweet. Okay, next I'm going in with this beautiful painting. I love it. It just looks French country, farmhouse. It can go in a lot of pieces of decor. And this is what they're kind of leaning to. I know it's been out at Hobby Lobby for a while now, but they're sort of leaning towards this almost vintage look, and I'm loving it. And I'm going to put that right there, and I'll show you what it looks like up close in a little bit. And I think some of my pictures need maybe to be a little larger or more, but I'm just using what I have for right now. And to be honest, I'm loving it. Okay, I'm gonna pop this right here and put this beautiful olive plant on there. I love to use risers. That just balances everything out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful little bowl and add these gorgeous beads and then some of these little orbs that I've had. I think that is a win-win. Okay, next I'm going in with this painting. Love it. Okay, this side is finished. Now let's work right here. Then we'll go into the bathroom and then I'll give you an overall view. Oh, I have to hang stuff over there. Okay, next I'm going in with this beautiful picture and it's going to go right over there. I really wanted larger pictures, but I couldn't get them. Then I thought about maybe putting more than one. So I don't know. Let me know your opinion on the pictures. I think some need to be larger and I think a couple need to be maybe more. I'm not sure. Okay, next we're going right there to hang some pictures. I have this. Now, I do know that these are not large enough. I either need more or bigger, but I just couldn't find any. So this is kind of going to be a work in progress, but I pretty much have it like I want it, but I have to tweak some things. But I love that. And this is my favorite. Look at those sheep. If I could find a large print like this to go behind my couch in the living room, that's what I would do. Okay, next I'm going in with this. I've had this, it's Hearth and Hand by Magnolia. I've had this quite a while. And I'm just going to set it here, but I will tell you, this whole area right here, pay no attention to it because I'm getting a long fireplace to put in there once I find the one I want. And like I said, I'm going to put it there and it's going to have shelves and things. So for now, this is where this is going, just to kind of make it match up. Okay, I'm going in with this. Such a beautiful lamp. I'm going to put it right here. Now, I think I saw on Amazon where they have, because when you plug this in, it's very noticeable that it's plugged in. And I think they have little bulbs that are kind of like rechargeable. And that's what I'm going to try to do to put in there because I don't like cords. I never have. And I'm putting that right there. Okay, next I'm going in with this plant. Love it, in this little wood vase. And I'll put that right there. And then I'm just going to hang this really simple hand towel right there in that beige color. So let's take a look at how I have transformed this bedroom into a cozy, updated, very peaceful little refuge. Okay, if you come in the room, this is what you see. And there are those beautiful mirrors. I love them. They had them in gold and black, but I wanted the black because it pulls in the black detail on my bed. And then here is this beautiful duvet. I really am pleased with this one. I love all the little pom-pom detailing. And then there's our little tray on there. Looks so welcoming. And then here is how that looks. Sorry about that little bit of the ring light peeking through. And then this is what you see. Like I said, those pictures are too small. I either need a larger one or more of them. And then this right here is going away. And I'm going to put a fireplace in there, but I just haven't found what I want yet. It just continues that really pretty look. I think that ties in so nicely with that mirror, with that lamp. So I'm very pleased with that. I'm using a lot of mirrors to open this space up. It's not a really small space, but all that reflective property does wonders. Okay, and then this way, this is what we have. It's just simple, but I love it. And then you can see the mirrors again reflecting there and then here, and then it reflects in this big mirror. I just really am pleased with this. Well, that is how I'm refreshing my bedroom for 2023. I'm really pleased with how everything pulled together. Like I said, the pictures, I still need to work on those. I know those aren't right, but I love how everything is coming together in a very cozy, comfortable style. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you on a Friday for a Valentine haul. I'm picking up some things because I'm going to do, I think next week I'm going to be decorating for Valentine's in my kitchen and dining room. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she was conked out on the couch, as usual, but she said she wants to thank everyone for the birthday wishes. Oh, Maggie. Say hi, say hello, say I love you, say you all are my bestest ever, and thank you for the birthday wishes. So, until next time, bye guys.